A last-minute ruling from the Supreme Court is preventing Texas' controversial border security law from even taking effect today, as originally planned. That high court weighing in on the Biden administration's fight with Texas over the border crisis. The law, which would allow Texas police to arrest illegal migrants, is placed on hold until at least next Wednesday. The Supreme Court is asking for Texas to respond to the ruling by Monday. Elizabeth Pran has the latest for us. And Elizabeth, SCOTUS has been busy this week. They acted on this one at the 11th hour.
Wow, what a legal showdown, right, Markie? So the High Court weighed in at the Biden administration's request for the justices to intervene. So the bill is on hold for this week, as you mentioned, as the court deliberates if the state can enforce this. So in Texas, it is known as Senate Bill 4. It's worked its way up the judicial system. It's had mixed results. The lower courts have deemed it unconstitutional, but the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeal reversed that decision. So the Supreme Court now has a stay, as you mentioned, until March 13th. So what does it entail? So it includes making crossing the border a Class B misdemeanor, meaning its punishment is 6 months in jail up to. If you're a repeat offender, you could face second-degree felony charges, which would be more than double the jail time. Local authorities are in charge of deportation, are in charge of housing these individuals when they are in jail, or if the person leaves voluntarily, the charges are dropped. Republican Texas Representative David Spiller, he co-sponsored this bill. He was reacting because we're seeing reaction across really falling up and down party lines. Here he is last night. I believe SB 4 is completely constitutional because it is not in conflict with the precedent set in Arizona v. United States case. It is not preempted by existing federal immigration law. It is not in conflict with existing federal immigration law. And Texas has the absolute constitutional right, authority, and ability to protect and secure its borders and its sovereignty. Now, what are we hearing from the ACLU and the government, the DOJ? Well, they're suing the Lone Star State. The argument in their filing is that the bill blocks access that migrants have to the federal asylum process. Opponents also say that the law will be prone to abuse, that it will promote racial profiling and fill up jails, that enforcing immigration, they say, is a federal responsibility, and therein lies the conflict for all law enforcement.
The federal government is responsible for immigration, right? And that is very clear. President Biden and his administration have a responsibility to ensure that there are orderly, rights-based ways for people to migrate.
Markie, this puts the High Court in the middle of another hotly contested debate during an election cycle. As you mentioned, they have until Monday to respond.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.